And then the scale is coming back to the quite small things. A bit funny program, the public toilet. Public toilet is, I think, quite amazing things. Yeah, you will see, finally the toilet, of course, produced by Toto. And then the glass box and the wall. But yeah, seriously, the public toilet is one of the very fundamental programs for architects because it's public. But if you are coming in, then it's really extremely private. So how to do with that kind of opposite things? How to make a relationship? And then the site is like this. It's more like a countryside. So usually public toilets is really closed. But in the countryside, beautiful landscape. So like to make it open, to enjoy the view. Open, close. How to do with that? That's also really fundamental questions. And of course, surrounded by nature, make an architecture. So how to do with the nature and architecture? Everything, private, public, open and close, nature and architecture. Everything is really fundamental architectural topic in this quite small public toilet. So it was a big, big challenge. And finally, yeah, I did like this. And then it is like that. You have a glass box and toilet, and then the wall is surrounding you. You have a door here, and then you can lock the door. So once you lock the door, then this garden, big garden, is your private garden, protected by the others. So you can, of course, do the toilet, or you can do any other kinds of things. No need to do toilet here, but everything. But seriously, it's a really simple, smart solutions, just to redefine the meaning of the wall. Yeah, wall, usually, we know walls, but usually we understand the wall is you're blocking the view and blocking the air and creating the architectural space. But we carefully see the meaning of the wall. One meaning of the wall is blocking the view, and another meaning of the wall, blocking the air. Of course, we have some other meanings, but these two meanings could be separated. And then here, this wall, just blocking the view from surroundings, but not block the air. And this wall, inner wall, is just blocking the air, but not blocking the view. So then we can separate the meaning of the wall, and then to make a gap between that. And then we can bring the air and the nature, but still blocking the view, and then keeping the interior space, but you can enjoy the open air views. It's really simple, smart way to recreate the boundaries, meaning of the boundaries, to make it possible to enjoy the view, still protected from the surroundings. That's very smart and funny. Wait, I think. Yeah, this is the plan. So you will see it's so simple. Just one toilet covered by the glass, and the wall and the door, and existing trees and something like this. A simple wall made by the wooden piles, the glass box. And we keep the landscape as a natural, not too much design landscape, and we kept the existing trees. So it is almost like a continuous from the surroundings into this toilet landscape. And then, finally. And it is permanent public toilet, but it was planned for the, art city plan. So the whole city are generated or powered by this kind of art or design like this. And the last year they renovated the museum, or they brought these kind of small pavilions like things throughout the whole city. And the last year they did the kind of the festival or the whole period of the art fair, about 2 months. And of course, so many people coming to this city. And then this toilet was already at the time very famous. So they used the big bus, 50 people in one bus. Not only one bus, but the 2 bus, 3 bus and coming in, and then so many people coming inside, make a queue line, and then one by one coming in and take a photo, and then another one is coming in and take a photos. So it is like that kind of a famous place. Of course, it was nice, but finally, so many more than 100 people coming in. And then the announcement maybe in the bus says, oh, we are going to the toilet, something. So some of them are expecting to go to the toilet, to do the toilet. But when arrived, of course it's toilet, but not possible to do the toilet because so many people are already coming in. And then some cranes complaining is coming to the city. And finally the city government decided to put the movable temporary toilet behind the wall. So I think it's amazing. Yeah, this is the first time in the history to put the toilet for the toilet. So that's in Japan, in permanent, 1 hour from Tokyo by car. So next time you come to Japan and like to see some crazy things, yeah, you can just go there and do the